All right, welcome to the final part of this time lapse tutorial. As you can see, we have done some pretty good work so far, but the rig, to be honest, cannot be perfect. I'm sure you can get it to a better place than I have, but in my opinion, it can't be perfect. So just try to get it to as far as you want. I just know what this character would be doing. I just try to get it in that position. Or I just, if you know your character is going to smile a lot and is never sad, just try to make the smile as good as you can and just forget about the sad face looking like shit. All right, but while this goes on, I'm going to, what would I do in the meantime? All right, let me go ahead and advertise my channel. All right, so you guys should go ahead and hit that red subscribe button to show some love and support. I really appreciate it. If you are enjoying this tutorial, do well to do that. If you are not, do well to still hit that subscribe button, but let me know down in the comments why you aren't enjoying this tutorial and what I can do to make you enjoy the tutorial even more. All right. So I will try to intercept at some points of the tutorial and talk, but for the most part, this is going to be a time lapse without commentary. So do have to pay attention and enjoy. Now, the face is something that is very complicated and it will take a lot of time. So let me just go ahead and tell you guys now that I did not finish up the face and do everything on the face on camera. So you can watch to the end and see how far I got, but I can't guarantee that I can finish up the face because some changes I would notice. There are some faults I would notice later on, and some changes I will make later on that I can't say I will record. So just do well to go over the face at your own pace in your own time. But I can't record everything concerning the face because it's too complex. Just there are a lot of things going on. Now for the eyes, I have considered a lot of options, and I am considering using shape keys instead of using this rig because if you do know how I can use this rig to make this sort of eye, close in a right fashion, do well to leave it down in the comment section and just let me know how I can do this. But right now, I have no idea and I really need some help. So do well to leave it comment in the comment section. But if you don't, or if I don't see any comment, I think I'll go with shape keys and then use a driver to drive the shape keys. All right, so I can have something that closes in a reasonable way. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been fun and I really appreciate it. I never take your time for granted, like I always say. And I will see you guys next week. You ought to feel guilty for not subscribing. I do not mean to make you feel guilty, but you ought to feel guilty. So do well to hit that red subscribe button if you have watched this far.